up, guys? Back again with another video of my homemade inline and quad skate repair stand. Plywood, scrap wood that I had around. I burned it. Some character, I guess. I don't know why I made it leopard skin, but it just looked dull with just regular looking wood. So I used a torch on it, and then I used baked linseed oil. For it to seal it. It's gonna get grease and stuff on it. So you see that was inline, and then I've got quads, it fits fine. And I did not put feet on it on the bottom. Here's why: because when you're working on your skates, you're going to be turning it around all the time. Trust me, you're moving it around. So there's no feet at all. It looks pretty good. It doesn't move. And so let's get on with what I used. So I used a yoga mat. I got a TJ Maxx, and I had so much of it, I used it for my RC pit mat too. I think it's 1/8 inch, but you can find something. And I used Gorilla Glue to glue it down. Skates don't weigh that much either. So, all right, I'm gonna try to do this without shaking the camera too much. So this is width, about 8.5. Length, about almost 12, 11 3/4, and this skinny post, the boot goes in 2 inches wide by 13 inches high. The main mount is 14 inches high and 5.5 inches wide, and the thickness is just 3/4. Here too. And now the depth, I went 4.5 inches wide. Don't count the neoprene. It's 4.5 inches, and then the depth where the skates are held down. Sorry. It's about 3 inches. 3 inches. About 3 inches. You just use a big cup. I use my jigsaw, so you just lay the wood down and just draw a circle. Try to get it about 4.5 inches wide, at least, because you want the skate to be secure in there. I was gonna make it where I took this off, but no, you won't hardly ever take that off. So, but it's not gonna move. Yeah. So, yeah, I'd like to see what your guys' designs are. So if I don't have to use a jigsaw to cut this out, oh man, it'd be so much, a lot faster making it. Oh, okay, and the brackets are in the shorties here about 1 inch, 1 inch tall, and the screws are, I think they're number 8s. It's a 1/2 inch thick plywood, and you don't want it to go all the way down, so let me see if I can get that. Yeah, because it's going to take up some space when you fasten it into the bracket, so that takes up a 1/16 of an inch, so you'll be fine with the shorties. I did overkill, I know, but on the brackets, but I don't I wanted it stiff because I drop it or something. But yeah. So anyway, guys, have a good day.